There are always new gadgets and inventions coming out that can make daily life a bit easier or more interesting. I have listed the best 20 cool gadgets and inventions that you can actually buy right now. These are useful, fun, and practical items that many people will find helpful. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Vitalan i7 Pro Folding Electric Bike. Equipped with a 750-watt motor peaking at 1,200 watt and delivering 80 Nm torque, this folding electric bike effortlessly reaches speeds up to 28 miles per hour. Its 48-volt 20Ah Samsung battery ensures over 40 miles per charge, ideal for extended commutes. Full suspension and hydraulic brakes provide a smooth, safe ride across varied terrains. The 20x4-inch fat tires offer stability on snow, sand, and city streets. Its foldable design allows easy storage in apartments or vehicles. Asus Triple Display USB-C dock. Featuring support for triple 4K displays via HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C, this compact dock enhances multitasking efficiency. It offers 12 connectivity options, including USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, RJ45, audio jack, and an SD card reader. With USB power delivery, it charges devices up to 90 W swiftly. Data transfers reach speeds of 10 gigabits per second, ensuring quick file movements. Its sleek design minimizes desk clutter, streamlining your workspace. SodaStream ART Sparkling Water Maker. Transform tap water into sparkling beverages with a simple lever pull using this stylish soda maker. Its retro design with metal accents complements modern kitchens. Each reusable CO2 cylinder carbonates up to 16 gallons, reducing plastic waste. Compatible with various flavors, including Pepsi and bubbly, it offers endless drink customization. Recognized for sustainability, it combines eco-friendliness with convenience for home carbonation enthusiasts. PRGR Portable Golf Launch Monitor. Utilizing advanced Doppler radar technology, this launch monitor accurately measures club head speed, ball speed, smash factor, and distances. It's a cost-effective alternative to high-end monitors, requiring no Wi-Fi or apps. Endorsed by golfer Padraig Harrington, it stores up to 500 swings for analysis. Its versatility extends to sports like baseball and tennis, making it a valuable training tool across disciplines. Sonko's Space Heater with Thermostat. Designed for safety, this heater features aramid mesh and flame-retardant materials, ensuring it's cool to touch, ideal for homes with kids or pets. It heats spaces up to 300 square feet, with adjustable temperatures between 60 degrees to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The far-infrared technology provides sun-like warmth, promoting comfort. Lightweight at 7 pounds, it offers portability and can be wall-mounted. Control options include a thermostat screen, remote, and app integration. EP Light Infinity Dodecahedron Gaming Light. This RGBW LED lamp boasts a geometric dodecahedron design, creating infinite visual extensions with 7 colors and 365 dynamic modes. Adjustable brightness and speed settings allow personalized ambience. It's an eye-catching addition to bedrooms, gaming rooms, or events. Made from safe, FDA-approved materials, it combines aesthetics with environmental consciousness. Its unique structure and lighting effects make it a standout decorative piece. SleepMe ChilliPad Cube Bed Cooling System. Offering a temperature range between 60 degrees to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, this water-based system ensures optimal sleep conditions. Suitable for any bed size, it provides dual-zone control for shared beds. The mattress topper features a cool mesh side and a quilted cotton blend side for comfort. Its compact control unit fits discreetly under beds or on nightstands. Adjust settings via on-device buttons or remote control for personalized comfort. Alpaca Vertex Pouch. This versatile 3-in-1 accessory functions as a sling bag, tech pouch, and desk caddy. It features a detachable padded shoulder strap and a rear hand strap for varied carrying options. The accordion-style main compartment with 9 pockets, including a microfiber-lined tablet sleeve, ensures organized storage. Crafted from eco-friendly Axoflux 600D material, it's weather-resistant and durable. Silent YKK AquaGuard zippers and a magnetic front flap enhance accessibility and security. Viwood's AI e-ink tablet. This ultralight 8.2-inch e-ink tablet, weighing just 230 g, offers a paper-like writing experience with 297 ppi clarity. Adjustable backlighting ensures comfortable reading in any lighting condition. Integrated AI assists in composing emails, summarizing articles, and organizing notes. With 128 GB internal storage and robust security features, including fingerprint encryption, your data remains private. Its compact design makes it an ideal companion for work, study, or travel. Sit-back's padded bleacher seat. Enhance your outdoor event experience with this padded bleacher seat, featuring thick cushioning and ergonomic back support to reduce fatigue. Its lightweight design and adjustable backpack straps ensure easy transport. Constructed from weather-resistant materials, it's built for durability. The high back support, reclining positions, and neck pillow offer customizable comfort. Perfect for stadiums, concerts, or any outdoor seating, it folds flat for convenient storage. Omdo heated jacket. Featuring 6 carbon fiber heating zones strategically placed on the front pockets, upper and lower back, and collar, this heated jacket offers comprehensive warmth. With 3 adjustable heating modes, red, blue, and green, controlled via a simple power button, users can customize their comfort. The intelligent LED display and high-capacity 12-volt CE or FCC certified battery provide rapid heating up to 140°F within seconds, ensuring long-lasting warmth for 3.5 to 10 hours. Constructed with water-resistant soft-shell fabric and a breathable lining, the jacket retains heat effectively. A detachable hood adds extra protection against chilly mornings and windy conditions, making it ideal for outdoor activities. Arbortech Power Chisel Kit. Equipped with a powerful 8-amp electric motor, this power chisel kit delivers up to 11,000 strokes per minute, facilitating smooth and efficient timber removal even in the hardest woods. The kit includes 7 high-quality chisels and is compatible with chisels from previous models, offering versatility for various woodworking tasks. A lockable safety switch ensures user safety during operation. The innovative design allows for quick and easy chisel exchanges at the push of a button, enhancing productivity and convenience for both professional and DIY woodworkers. Craft Geek Mag Stand Kit. This comprehensive creator kit includes a magnetic selfie stick, a magnetic selfie light, and a Bluetooth camera grip with a built-in 5000 mAh battery, providing essential tools for high-quality content creation. The strong magnetic attachment ensures secure and stable connections to compatible smartphones, facilitating seamless shooting experiences. The Bluetooth camera grip allows for convenient one-handed operation, while the adjustable brightness and color temperature settings of the selfie light ensure optimal lighting for videos, live streaming, and selfies in any environment. This kit is designed to enhance the content creation process for influencers and enthusiasts alike. Pianarize Heated Face Mask. Featuring a thermal fleece interior and windproof design, this heated face mask provides exceptional warmth and comfort during cold weather activities. Utilizing safe graphene heating technology, it offers long-lasting, consistent heat with 3 adjustable temperature settings. The mask's fabric is breathable and moisture-wicking, with an air hole design that allows for easy breathing while protecting against wind, cold, dust, and UV rays. Its versatility makes it perfect for skiing, motorcycling, ice skating, running, and other outdoor sports, ensuring users stay warm and protected in harsh conditions. Ioneo Retro Mini PC. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor, this retro-inspired mini PC combines nostalgic design with modern performance. It supports up to 64 GB of dual DDR4 memory and offers multiple storage options, including a 512 GB PCIe 3.0 SSD and a 2.5-inch SATA 3.0 slot for additional drives. The advanced cooling system, featuring a 35-watt high-pressure turbo fan and 4 copper heat pipes, ensures optimal thermal management during intense workloads. With Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a variety of ports including USB 3.2 Gen 2, HDMI 2.0, and DisplayPort 1.4, this mini PC provides seamless connectivity for gaming, productivity, and multimedia applications. Fujifilm Instax PAL Digital Camera. Designed for users aged 13 and above, this pocket-sized digital camera features a wide-angle lens and app-controlled flash, allowing for creative photography on the go. It can store up to 50 photos internally before requiring transfer to the free Instax PAL smartphone app via Bluetooth. The camera supports remote shooting and interval shooting modes, enabling users to capture dynamic sequences and group shots effortlessly. While it does not print photos directly, it is compatible with Instax Link series smartphone printers, allowing users to print their images in mini, square, or wide formats. Available in 4 pastel colors, this camera combines portability with fun features for spontaneous photography. No ball arm and leg pedal exerciser. Offering both motorized and resistance modes, this arm and leg pedal exerciser provides a versatile, low-impact workout solution for adults and seniors with limited mobility, arthritis, or joint pain. The motorized mode features 8 adjustable speeds, while the resistance mode offers 8 levels to build strength and endurance. Users can easily switch between arm and leg exercises, promoting overall mobility and flexibility. The durable, lightweight, and compact design makes it suitable for home or office use. An intuitive display tracks activity, and the patent-pending screw-free quick-release mechanism allows for effortless switching between handles and pedals. Lifespan Fitness Bundle. Combining the Ampera bike with a versatile yoga ball chair, this fitness bundle offers a holistic approach to wellness by integrating dynamic and static exercises into your daily routine. The Ampera bike features an ergonomic seat with a 2-inch cushion made from high-density mold foam and breathable fabric, adjustable for users ranging from 5.2 feet to 6.5 feet. Its regenerative pedals can generate up to 65 watt per hour at a casual speed of 60 RPM, providing 65W USB-C and 15W wireless charging capabilities. The 25-inch yoga ball chair is ideal for individuals between 5.4 feet and 5.11 feet, promoting optimal posture and comfort during work. To Grand Finger Ring Knife. This innovative ring knife offers convenient cutting assistance by fitting securely on your fingertip, allowing for easy access during various tasks. Designed for a wide range of professional and industrial applications, it is especially useful for activities requiring both hands, such as garden pruning, packaging, warehousing, and outdoor sports like hunting and fishing. Constructed from high-quality PP material, the ring provides strength and toughness, while the heat-treated steel blade features a 1-inch curved design with a blunt tip for safety. Its sharpness is ideal for cutting grasses, branches, twines, wires, tapes, and ribbons efficiently. Toon Pocket Notebook. Featuring a compact and travel-friendly size, this lightweight notebook fits seamlessly into any bag or pocket. Its sturdy black soft cover and high-grade paper provide a smooth writing experience, while the 60 total pages offer plenty of space for notes, journaling, or creative writing. Whether you're in a meeting, a classroom, or exploring new destinations, this notebook ensures you'll never miss an idea. It's an ideal gift for writers, students, and professionals alike. Innovation never stops, and these 20 cool gadgets and inventions prove just how exciting the future can be, especially when you can get your hands on them right now. Whether you're into tech, lifestyle upgrades, or just love discovering the next big thing, these picks are sure to spark your curiosity and make life a whole lot cooler. To grab the latest deals on everything featured in this video, check out the links in the description for the most up-to-date prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow gadget lovers, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our newest content, tips, and reviews.